Me did the young antechua, and maybe I'm discovered for Europe. I come a bush for Ghana. No, me used to tap send, tap send. No fee mobile money transfer. Eye easy, eye convenient, eye fast, and sounds so free. Won't you she? Me discover ye map him. Tap send. Intienne. Also download the tap send app. No, ever mobile phone so free. Na first ka come a bush for Ghana for na. Tap send. Papa no.
Everybody check now. Check it. Check it. The beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Green select glucometer. Check it. Push sugar level for check it. Check it. Reselect glucometer. Everybody check now. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Emre tudo nani etena ka mu kwantin akotonio mabegu ye shop mu se ubenya ni nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo owo so to mfa ko sika swane ne mpatamu anase achimota lapa se kosi nsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insure, enyane, anasa ade bia wo pe bia. So wo koton ko ade a ene bia wo se wutu mu a Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto, or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249-817182. Get the best and a quality video.
Diva, up to the top. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me, like me. They wanna freak like me, sweet like me, cute like me. Someone that could do it like me. Be a freak, make them weak. Hey ladies, listen to me good. Be a lady outside and a freaking bed. That's how they like it. That's how they need it. Them boys, them want it. They wanna freak like me, freaky dicky licky like me. They wanna freak That's how they need it. Them boys, them want it. Them want it. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. Like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. Like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. Like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. They wanna freak like me. Freaky, dicky, licky like me. Like me.
Still in the festive season, Christmas, oh say yay! Now we cheer on this say yay yay! This is a beautiful moment right here on Summit Flex TV. Showbiz Daily it is. Yabetem with the and then they say Dichiami yay. I'm the main man, the patron himself. Omani Musukakra. Christmas in say event name. The man does kakra. Say Omani Musuno Cement Nemudia. Let me officially welcome you because it's always a beautiful moment to have you like all the time. Charlie, in the shots with me, I have the main man, the president himself of the Beam Nation, Nana Ringer. Nana, let's say. And now I say, oh, Rane, oh, Yamunia, Mina maker, so on coming out. Minimum sorry.
And yeah, you fully Arabian the air running. What I say? If you are making me a cow, I don't feel comfortable. That was what it was happening to me on the show yesterday.
I see what show this. It's not with my boots as I tap and my. You will draw tap. Yes, so much more YouTuber, YouTube consultant, YouTube manager, Kasiepa, anything bothering you, finding difficulties around the YouTube side of it now. Look no further, Chemo and Kasane. Chemo!
Very much. So you say festive season, you know, a befans so coso. And the mame at this point in Mamentia, a member back, Prof. Uncle Namrabo. Yeah. Now, what touch it down? What touch it down? Oh, it's all Ghana now, but say you show love to the streets. Okay. And the ABB Kaka, and Chibiano. Yeah, and the Sheneba, I'm a man for being the echo. And you know, on any family in the body may welcome more at this time, yeah. And you know, more details and later.
Oh, I hope so.
I make so many now, say, I better for no more family treasure.
Oh, that means do any do.
One board members make a home. Such a mother family.
Now we organize the final way.
Chamo, what's in the two Debut. Chamo finance, I don't believe you. Prof. Uncle now. I mean, hey, yeah, and I knew me minutes and we assign was it. Ever from the Seattle work. Board members never sign. I'm all about now. I guess I meant some kind. What do you never come once in which it's Chamo? I think and one.
Yeah, for now, no update Biano. I had for me. Yeah, for Asun Betty. Any day person in a year ready, I had the better jam the echo.
And the banners are definitely we will need assistance from outside.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Okay. I think it's a time this one. The numbers never to as a point before one. A bit to media board the streets. More on to say.
Time in the Asun. Now, that year,
I dare know. Yeah, BB
organizing day in the 18 catch up. Time in the CC and say, oh, support the or the best support a better for now. We bet me as and the ama number that now 18 media acquire Adoyama street kids. Now I said the 8 me to you. Also, cast a better, yeah, then you go so I and walk away. A day now you be to an amount of penac.
All can.
Many prof for doing come question, you know. I say, and I make and say, you're ready. I had the name of a tuja, you know. Ebefa, yeah, more members into Monjourney. ebefa the one is over
Cause Reagan can say ebefa for. Who say so come be inclusive. Only yen ebefa for. Now you with. Anyway, so Derek Money or your blogger, YouTube MC or your blogger, or also your MC papa, seven more shows wedding. Uber ye. This funny thing. Last time we were my friend, I was MC Berryman. Patch up many ye been MC na ye I said
I saw Casa on camp.
MC so almost
I don't Ghana for when you belong to the creative space. Now category the auto sa a category no one. I say how be I say like a degrade will be like and musician grab on your neck I said oh boy yes in man now like mommy correct too. I think say and yes say be a degree. No me problem so me I MC problem. What I'm trying to mean is say you MCs but say all kind of categories now. Obiara ne kwan of us or yene. What they make us say yes, they are floppy way because I've never done it and I don't want to learn to do it. Who baby say dainty because sometimes na I am very very emotional. It's maybe say na akuma into me. So that is me. It's no musa bet the way I'm kind of be a CMC now. I say like there are only I'm better than that. Yeah, my father. If you have a code, yes, I'm better than CMC. Then I mean, wedding away, birthday why, be engagements, be party, when you yesterday now, Jinty say a year so one musicano. Why name Conquaji? MC, your friends say, yeah, Aquababa should be daily, so Christmas Eve. Senior as a system, no more believe that crowd, but adding a definition for the woman, so you say, and I moon your crown. Okay. Where are they? There's an American definition in here. They say, what the boss want? Hey, okay. Menka ho. Mama go say menka ho say dey ebefa. Ambeguza so bad abeg. Say no ebefa na si no nya agba chebo eso de ne kasa. Ebefa. Ana we say nya din yo. O be so join na I say ebefa keke. E twitwa wana. Say dey MC ebefa. It be about the you ceremony. Alright, so yeah, kind of sad. I am also aquaba. I am fast that see and my carry the guitar rasta or no and the camera reaching the TV or making sure say which in my camera need be a tosso. Rich the Finest Boy Flex being our director. Lapigi or no and a overall producer papa and our face no. Tina baby always making sure say we are looking good on set and our face to Gideon need Lamptison always making sure say yeah the designs near the adin I'm taking charge of it. Me and MC Berryman, nothing else, nothing less. Afi so no ye nko abrochimemu afi na aso Abrante Reagan ekasa no on my say me na ebosan ebituma ba say tap ntia Abrante Derek Money same way on also chiremu say in festival no I mean festive season mu dey wo mu but when you say any man sheda nko really ye sa so na me sure say ebia Ghana ha say no onkofo ha say but you are finding difficulties to send them money down here and I mean trying to say some part of the African countries. All you need to do is to just go to your Play Store, Google Play Store, so it's your Android phone. Not download the app. Near front tap. Download the say we follow the prompt. After you know you use the Sammy Flex promo code on your first day of doing it and our first time of doing it. And no, we are rest assuring you, say a hormone who use to say dollar sign up. Ubenya $10 free and I say pounds this one £5 and I'll be your hormone. Won't pay we not open it. Yeah, the countries now will be to me our hormones. This year we are running across UK, Italy, Germany, France, Belgium, Netherlands, Spain, Canada, and after USA. The USA is you know 50 states and after 50 states now out of it 27 states and I tap and now open Africa and so now also send it back Africa here on Crawford, Ebio, Cameroon, Ghana, Guinea, Ivory Coast, Madagascar, Mali, Senegal, Zambia,
Bangladesh, Dr. Congo, that is DR Congo, sorry, Kenya, Vietnam, Ethiopia, Morocco, Pakistan, Nigeria, Nepal, Sri Lanka, and after the Republic of Congo. Sa crewing na so and na ube to me as Nisika Abba na Bibia Apuye Awasi. Put a smile on the faces of your family and friends down here. Na yina yini NGWasi. You may move on to business. Chamo, Abranti and Dean Eddie Sakode Michael Owusu Ado. Waka Sembi on your interview section bina obonkomo. Na etrebia we all understand the fact say among for criticizing, among for criticizing the stars, the celebrities, Obibia IBTV count on social media platform. Now Sakode Aka say, in fact, sometimes he doesn't really want to respond to some critics and our criticisms Osan say social media ube open this account now. You misal state of mind. You misal age. You misal you okay to maybe misal state age, but state of mind. You should say Papa almost any Papa say I been down to money upon you. There's a video back in it. You just have video in your bar here. Chamo on your first because internet in the would you grow up to me down the video in our one. Yeah, they you best share video back. You really come up.
If you think about the idea that is social, media, dealing with it actually makes you not make sense. You're dealing with even a table with 10 people, you find some 2 people who don't naturally want to make sense. And now you have to deal with the world. So, and I have one line that I say that, social media doesn't ask the person's mental state before they sign up. So anybody can just pick up a phone and sign up. So you have all sorts of human beings on social media. So I'm not going to waste my energy on social media trying to explain something. It's not going to work. I put out.
Totally agree.
Yes, I put out whatever I think. Those who take it will take it. Those who don't take it will take it. And I think over the 10 years, when I step out, I see love. So I don't care about what someone is saying on social media. If it's not true, I don't really care. I see love. So I don't care about what someone is saying on social media. If it's not true, I don't really care. And it doesn't really frustrate me at all.
Now, another comment. Oh.
All right, Sakode Nenumutum and Wakanono. In fact, or no on share those kind of things, no sense. Social media platforms, you show mental state before you can sign up. Chamo, could it be say this young man a shade and go through to his critics indirectly and now say what he's saying it is true according to him and the little knowledge you have about these social media platforms? What do you have to say about it?
What he's saying, I don't want to say partially true because true to be but the way or can
the truth name PA.
The way in the presentation poor kakra. Yeah, because apart from social media when in platform be a mental state and then I'm quite kasana.
Okay.
And like to use our statement and say social media you check your mental state and sana what sign it up or yes I say what generalizing is say obia or social media biano ebiana or mental issues and sana about comment or ubi biana say what sign it up by entisa you will be more etisa ona hono can you say or the table about 10 people at least you will get there 2 people or more they will naturally don't want to make sense. I mean it's so obvious and it can happen too. So the same thing apply to social media. And it's what I go ahead to say because of yen check your mental state and I say after the all they are called from the door. Bank can say naturally or no you may find somebody in your family or can be there or be another or a controversial. So I'm not here and just or issue with the mental like the way or your statement and I say oh yeah bad criticism against him and I say oh yeah be bad it means you have mental issue but no that's not the case. You have more mental issues. Or mobile baby sir or more you be so how or you're fine but that's how or more pretty.
Okay
and this any pana was said that another or no the media say it will go against you another will give you bad criticism no any mental issue.
Okay.
So no tie ne plan na wafa no ebi asa no kan ordinary ne numbers and no right to omo mutie omo hwe no omo ntie de meka ne and no right to say obia be criticize obi any in so obia like as you intentionally wants to inflict pain on somebody through comments or making it there. It's not fair, it's not good. In fact, it's against almost all the social media platforms and almost policies are almost pesa. But sanko funo say any social media krana almost ye no almost area almost almost ye no baby almost platform almost timi ye social media ba amomo a bigger platform to exhibit sa almost character na na sa de no mo ye no in school le ongo fu school ma omo betimi atizu sa na Africa don pese obi ko school omo obi kwa be ne physical de bia obebo de baby obi sha obi na otata omo ye bullies.
Shout out to you controller.
Any Jimmy sanko fu no omo when they get the opportunity they do it. But I mean say omo mental issue say the person canon and you know honor kwa na mini bi na asem say and yes what he is saying is true. We have people on the internet all that they do is to bully people, troll people, try to say something and inflict pain on you. Yes, but apart from that so you don't sign up for your mental state before they don't check your mental state before they signing up on that's on I disagree. He shouldn't have gone there crap.
Okay, now on not say sir fan say on street crap but he gets the love on the street. So he fan won say obeba betna echi abebe criticizing here. For all you know, because social media platform person signing up there is nothing like say be check mental state and now before he be a baby sister. That's what he's trying to make.
Yes, I agree with him, sir.
But don't you think social media platforms on which me on which me be sir?
No, not at all. Omo better no my sir.
Now on which me IBB to same fan say wage. You also social media platforms you on ma. If required at a certain age. Said the mental bit maybe some few questions be on ma. You don't get
no amount for names any omo age ni kro mo no mu twa ntro be de wo me use example bi make up o make e chemu wo san de sa mu ya me nko ho first na mpeni super by me nko ho za you know there are certain kind of platform bi adult content platforms so o ba because bia o be hu say omo be show say are you 18 or like there will be another one say are you 18 and above and the other one you know if you click no you don't go there almost obi awaya na adu so be ko bia click yes o click yes when na be check who say who 18 and now 18 when na be check who say oh yeah that age na onye that age and in the social media platform bia obeka say o person yes be obi feeling then into the won't bother say you check your mental state and sana ya ma okwan ma obaso na okay you check you na or you okay na obaso na otan ntino still obedi do atama or no like and make us say the presentation in coming in ya adwen by the way okan no I say wow obe criticizing bia you are not mentally stable. That's the implication of what he said.
Okay.
No na man me disagree
okay.
The okan ni the nkofubu o ma plan say sa no mbe dada ba oboka say because ya check o mental state nti e na omo ye that comment ni there e no ho there o you wrong.
Okay. All right, you are part of it. Don't need to say drop your comment at the comment section. Hold on, and say with me at the WhatsApp. The lines on the screens. With me, I comment say after hold on, and then we know your idea. Now you are part of the whole thing. It's you move on to the Big Nation President. Regan, what's your thought on this one?
Well, I think Sarkozy was speaking out of emotions.
Okay.
He said whatever criticisms he gets from social media, he's not frustrated about it. It's a lie. Based on based on Amakasankasan's explanation and response in this particular video.
Okay.
Because the way I all describe it, how people even get accounts on social media should tell you, say, clearly, those who don't speak in favor of him, they consider, if not all of them, some of them as people with mental illness.
Okay.
And I don't think it's a fair comment. Yes, you can tell us and explain to us, okay, this is the reason why as a celebrity, as a big musician, this is the reason why I don't respond to some of these issues on social media. Personally, I mean, I have always advised, especially celebrities, that and yet all the comments, critics, social media, correspond to, because some of them has a certain agenda. People do that for their own individual interest. So some, when you see them, just ignore it.
Okay.
It will help you. You see, your sanity is very, very important. And you going back and forth and responding to every negative comment, or it will come back to hurt you, the celebrity, and not maybe the ordinary person. When you have access to your Twitter handle and as an Instagram page or your Facebook page, or you can answer or post answer. So yes, you can learn to. You can learn not to respond to such comments, but for you to say because social media, anybody at all can pick phone. I mean, I don't think. It's an offensive comment to make.
So, to him, no. Okay.
Because there are people who are following you, who criticize you, and you're with them. They have sound mind. You can't even determine whether they have sound mind or they don't. They don't. So you cannot just come out and say you don't respond to. Okay, let's say I don't want to mention a journalist name, or maybe let's say one of the top journalists can be on social media. Equity out. Does it mean say that person, like, automatically need sound antenna or you have access to platform or access? There are certain criticisms with the pets positive. And that be a typical example. If you are not down for being anti but put him on say baby or train one or more crazy because I'm ferry. Also, now your body on and Sandy panel. Oko catch a bad thing. So I'm sure you no crab find you. Because you will take it out of pain.
But that is the hard truth.
That is the truth. You understand? So some of the criticisms say, yes, I know there, but there are some are positive. Aside say we are condemning the bullies and men say social media is an agenda war. Say can say did you sorry I told it those, in fact, social media platforms they are fighting against such. They are finding a way to deal with such. And to me and Castle will be made a comment wasn't fair to me. Honestly, in my honest opinion, I think Sanko or Shena or explaining the entire responding to such things or such comments on social media. Don't necessarily make such analogy say because radio station or contrary.
Check in.
It's a big mistake.
Some things are like, there are people who call on radio stations. When I think say ABI in the interview because they can open phone lines. How many of the callers now check your mental health and some things are
okay, so it could be say that is the way Intia on responding to criticisms like but
and I'm saying that
it's fair.
I'm saying that I don't mind if Sarkodie doesn't want to respond to such comments on social media. In fact, me, I will support him not to respond to it. But for him to sit on a platform like that with his status as an artist, I'll make his analogy. They say, so social media no ye o kwa register and as all sign up yeah sure why dream months and obia timi sorry no sign up na or can be your people no I mean that is very very offensive because one other can you just say on no kwa ko nebu so on no social media that you know what maybe some small boys in his extended family are doing on social media.
Okay, I guess
so I think that it was a bad communication for me.
Okay.
He had a point in why like maybe a comment we the entire men reacted to them. Somehow you see sometimes recently the issue here by this political issue here by because for people were all over him
bashing here.
I said it was a political agenda agency. And most of these people are partyful soldiers who want to really do their own thing to make their party look good or even make you feel bad for supporting party.
Okay.
You understand? And say no, if you don't want to respond, you don't want to respond. After all, you also what me I can opinion, you share your opinion to tell the world, okay, this is how I am. I'm also feeling irrespective of who you supported during the election period. So he should have just ignored that thing off. Because somebody can just listen to the whole interview and then pick just that part and or very, very offended. Like you will not even feel like, you know.
I'm not granting it ever to us here. That is the main reason why
it wasn't a fair comment from him. I'm not being very honest. It wasn't a fair comment.
All right, thank you very much. That is the Beef Nation president and America, and also actually agreeing or you can also drop yours if you side with him or if you don't. Just put it there near Petty because you move on to my finest MC, Sir Derek Mani. Nana Derek Mani. Nana, what's your opinion? A little bit. Do you think say it was a fair comment? Do you think say almost not being watched or what man now say indirectly so shady?
Sorry to come in.
All right.
Let me ask this question.
Me or the platform?
Like I'm just asking in
general. Okay.
ABI and so being so baby and no other platform so now. Or cassette or make it let's say examination and I said you know so Ghana them to for they said Oba be to me
check
mental states and I say we were studio no akwa be and to be a sabi and to follow do na am kwase am like
okay
you as a musician when you are sitting back the same way no be feeling. That is how you should have considered the people on social media who also make comments. Because yes, because see when you make posts, the entire comment section why are they not public? You need public opinions about what you post. What somebody will come and write, Opa kind, Opa reply, Opa man reply, be policy so I post. What kind of opinion every?
Okay, nice one. With the punchline panel, there two at the end. All right, so you're going Derek Mani, your opinion, your point.
MC, say I call it when you industry.
When you were industry,
okay. I think he should have known better because with the industry and then the social media, I'm not for bashing. I must say bashing or maturity or mature the way of bashing. You know, say onam ho and onam social media. When you so be new here, near all agenda no, and your agenda. Who agenda now the number and your agenda into be true seed at you. Mentality. Okay, so because social media, you're not dreaming. Ubian the bottom because social media. Ubian Sony or kind of fast food register. Ubian what you register multiple accounts. Or Ubian more the agenda. And Ubian more the end. The state of mind on the creating account, any Obabi who post and I say, or follow Unema Oyen, and no one will be actually at their barber criticizing. And social media is a global village. Ubi a hobby. Into expect to say, Ubi an argument here and a baho. Is a old man who about for. What the church of Prada Yanes, obit me, Obi and Keke, Church of the other name as you. Won't me, Obi and Keke?
Oh, 2 D crowd.
That is the global village you are living in. In 2 years, they are never be saying, you know, Ubisia. And I make I say, I will say, who never be by now. Now, brand is not matured enough. Into times who posted some comments here, know how to position your comments. And when I make come and say, it's about time I artist, you know, Omubenya, a friend, brand strategist, team was a told our Casano crowd, Oba Casano. I see a team is cycle, her wife, now, or Quaco Canonia, this I'll say, a 2 questions be mouse here. Answer say, the big wow. Because so yeah, nyane sana si jaya artist no man pe brand strategies e wo team no always no omo ne nam sa na omo kasa sa always na omo fum which is very bad. Yeah. Because omo show be state of mind answer no asane up no yeah we no kra no dwen wo say state of mind in tina wo asane up na bi ono there open numbers.
Yeah, I'm almost streaming on your microphone now.
On open numbers into what creating a picture to into course rubber form in as much as a social media any better idea ubesia criticism online.
You choose to follow up or you choose to ignore.
You choose to follow up and read guy can well post that. And I also know my who crying at the koto. Why the post ma?
Comment and go a bit me turning off.
You have power over those things like.
But me tell no comment section of
indoors and then answer na gamro for chair mo royalties we me ko ye post akwa bi ba say o crown ye jumo ba massa me reading massa na me person me responding to obia but me reading no the way of starting a comment massa no I say akwa
Agenda boys in there. Boys in there. Agenda boys. And you know, always you know, one our control will post. One you have access over every and what mentality about you the control. You want results. It's not a control. It's either you want comments, you want likes, because you are dealing with numbers on social media. Into the control was one other agenda control. So whatever pops up or whatever na a bit female battle. And someone so class no send your crime so I responded to. Well, it is a 1 year and na some better radio so editor say only partner signing up on you don't know me. There be and also the all kind of side na all casa because o brand learning. And this is not the first time and I say I'm not thinking say 2021 any time I was share criticism on social media. So I could share bullying be on social media. Yeah. Until now he's very matured enough also to me holding on to. And there are some comments you heard more. But be a brand in you know. You hear post some comments like this. I'm here.
Okay.
And so I who say about John now like
okay, all right. May I say Derek Manning? In fact, yeah, what I say, you know, the 3 panelists no be anyone morning. Saturday AI doing on it in a way, you know. Also, the and waiting to drop you that comment section. But then before we move on to your next story, we are artists now. We're going to now music, but the video and our visual to cover it. You know, trust me, we are here to sort you out. Flex Entertainment. Music videos, promotions, ninas, you bet me sort out. Simple crowd. Social media management, how you answer bet me about all your wedding, funeral, improve us. It be mujani if you want to know. And our face, the weddings, name, parties, you bet me about covering in our just all you need to do is to pick up the numbers on the screens. Now, our friend, nothing. You didn't come on. Currency, why look on the camera? Ding. Now, I don't move on to your next story. Stonebwoy. Big Nation President Livingstone H.H. Satikla Mr. Watch the father in the music industry watch the phone now phone watch no watch comment na say be more say in fact he should have done better. It be most ABC question say should it have been said okay Samini Echo Gracie in the Big Nation concert no it's not the channel na say could it be say a promotional strategy for this phone and you know omoyana yenhwe video we ye ba ye beto apampan so na ya chichim pepe our hasi enti yenhwe video ye ba
Yes, I am. That microphone a bar. Anyway. Yes, I am. That microphone a bar. Yeah. Who's there? They go there. Yeah, business. That's it. Yeah. Killer, I bring me the baddest.
Android, no lie.
What does it?
No lie.
That's nice.
Baddest.
No
God.
2 ways. No 2 ways.
Oh God. God, yo.
All right, so this is the video na come one seminar. Watch the phone. Now questions are maybe answering the call, you know. We share in fact Stonebwoy or your ambassador Emma Techno 4. Now watch the phone. Watch the papa in the music industry. Watch the phone. Chamo. Questions are little body. Odi na ifa na wait my pick na wait me ahwe aka ho asem ho mama
me nim se we mu bi na sa akodi mu obeka ze ya check ya sign up ne dia because it's funny and at the same time when a social media is social media anyway obi bi aka and in the baby the bibia obeka ne de enye sa de anka I think zenka ye beka bibia fa we hu kra anka e bia beka se Stonebwoy wa ya de ye mo na baso because akoche obi ade yes but obi beka se ade na ode che ni so nye papa na we de ni so ode che na the whole lot ala zenka toka like I mean that's like in fact say any social media cry on and remember say enka area na okoye ni nipa na ho no obenya that same comment ni bi ho obi ho obegina ho a obeti say Stonebwoy abeche samini ade a area ho no we o de o be na tin be
the question maybe no ho no we omo ye say a phone and a normal gadget kwa on the channel dia oh Charlie bro maybe my send you busy here but to bring it on camera and a man for air camera sense.
Of course, sir, it means several purpose. Stonebwoy a brand ambassador for Techno. Indonesia or chess Armenia, they obviously it's all marketing for Techno.
Okay.
It's all marketing for Techno. Say some meaning so cry you to Techno. And you know why you to Techno no want to add the phone. More celebrity, more big man or no so you to be. And you know a high grade family now man who say Samini is to Techno on to Techno they are better and they a way of influencing people to buy products from Techno.
Okay.
And a bear ngwa say obi and our can say kenya no and ka on fa camera enzi suntwa emfa mama che ndi say what e chire na wa hu wa nya sa clean no na obe kan say ebia isa anka on to other brand be and as an to car na bibia you are getting it wrong only the oil pa and oil pure marketing or channel phone there but or samini wo phone you guys samini any phone and or phone so and a phone be a person channel be cry be samini o be that a pure marketing thing. Every go out samini we phone we or J or no so the better will be. And you know, a bear man say will be a bear criticize say Isa and I say na and is top brand way and now Stonebwoy in a juma and as samini is also a supported Stonebwoy I don't know and you know me who anything wrong with
it. You're trying to say a promotional strategy Techno now. When your phone or when your phone, but in a way, you know, do you see it? Say, okay, Techno Force with me, IBB, try to involve him in this ambassadorial deal, that kind of, you know, that kind of connections now.
Of course, I need to say a Sika be involved and a better, and this is a way to do things. In fact, Stonebwoy juma, Sani Befano or Yen juma, and Kofubi benefited from a juma na or yen. Ebini samini and or they are quite channel phone so it should end there.
All right, so it should end there. Chamo, according to him, he thinks we're a promotional strategy. Also, which, you know, what do you think? Over to my or comment section. Can move on to the Beef Nation president. Nana, what's the side of it and our points and also how do you see this whole thing?
I think people are just talking too much.
Too much.
Yeah.
Listen, yes, all kind of side and that's according to us. Okay, yeah, no crane.
Stoneboy, I'm the car say, I sure will be a dream. Say, I don't have any issue with comment and stuff. The only problem I have is the way of communicating.
Okay, let's not go back. Let's not go back. All right.
That's what I'm saying. But I think say also will be a BBC, maybe I make a young born ambassador. Say a bottle water you put, and what they call chair is a million young born ambassador. My idea. In fact, if you say it, and I remember when you were doing say, will be a the four and I celebrate it. Yeah, okay. In fact, the be your okay crowd or go to me or Mama, would you make your movie crowd? And crophobia or the society around them, some responsibilities be on one to crowd and be your okay. So when people take or make such efforts, let's commend them. Let's encourage you. Because the COVID period, when I want to be asking in so if you are saying then yes, bad leadership, no one corrupt leaders, no one can be COVID is so count. COVID count. And see, and there are man for be more crap, be almost some competent in certain areas. COVID in Timmy Momunya, the sort of productivity they have to pay. It's uncle from the super so there, or be lazy and answer. It's a map, Yamamu, I am going to say upon all Yamamu, I had the inside the man will beat me to us. Or Castle Charlie, a fiasco, and I say, many aid in the baby. And I say, Mera, you mean my main top phone, my main tone, so my main toe, and I found my main thought that if I know which emissions, I mention or the shoe bounce on it.
There's one for me come from.
And I also, no one said, send the FM. So, I'm just making send a message. Say, what's that? Namaka say, it's a bit so sad.
I found the same.
I don't know the Bavado in me. So, I never met him.
And you know, the American question said, will be a 2 son and one. Because we all Kasaba Christian say Techno Phantom either like and yet valuable necessary. OBJ3 and then I turn it down chest. In fact, Techno now Phantom now on this arm. I don't know, maybe Chemo can help us with the price of the Phantom X. Obi Nenka say annual crowd. Obu 6 years crowd almost ask yes. In fact, musician be crowd royalties better 10 years and they are talking. Phantom we are.
Obi has more.
And a pair fancy garden where we see the royalties 1.6 and at 24 coins. 24.
As in 160
and coins 24
pesos. 4 pesos.
2 years. 2 years royalties. It to them open monkey can boom 3 years and a half 4 years. Now I say a bit not of Phantom now they go
would have been a 1.5 was away 2 years do.
It's the air can say it's a good gesture now Stoneboy I am. Mama yam born abaso born aye boy yam born master Stoneboy timu. Yeah, that is what people think. Say obi bibi na born abaso they feel like oh chemu aye we na mo ye na the tell kondo na dabi. That is not the motive. The motive is that ye bo chemu abaso Derek will feel motivated. Say hey Charlie the way chemu born homo dia to so am go for yi. Me so me to so ma asimesi a me so people will appreciate me. Then currency too will get motivated. Sana society we want to build it.
Okay.
So don't make commentaries that will discourage people. Always have been saying when people I say go for there. Sometimes they even complain say celebrity see almost 7 years almost until obi make effort no so be any self cry. But number said the bear in fact say no crop say almost 7 years they will feel like no Charlie go for a deal more Charlie more some recognition. My yes, I mean, it was very, very nice. I say, somebody cause surprise say, Stoneboy or concert. You now so you need a feel baby now, air cost one. Until for us to even see some of these things again, I mean, yen kana enye fe na ensho mu nkran na omuntimi nye saa mo ewi ase odo eni nkabo eni hia o ene na disi kama na chemo na odo open abusa an sa question because ade eche me say okay say a technofo also assigning some it could be some of these conversations. Okay. And remember BBC. So, and I want to know some way to and sometimes I may for let's say the who or camera say what about the check techno phantom no who name the GH and on the alpha camera so and Chemo make a very good point talking about marketing the brand techno or an influencer say techno ambassador. He has to find ways to influence people to use techno to market the brand. Now you sign on now on your shema products and now signing on signing this to you know they are signing on no boost your food in the something. So he also has to make sure say okay they are signing me a every year but products every year because of say you are signing it products so a bit say it me call until I appreciate it would say I shall not because they are signing Stonebwoy on top a lot of techno phones for free and yes be na or we na ho aboro na you but to support the brand Stonebwoy techno for because when you sign as me cry product for tom and content and this is one of the ways e betimi motivate you in fact democrats can say wo high grade how you fan and I will be nation I will let fan I will use technology I'm out for try on my iPhone and I will do it. See you can also feel proud and show it. You can use it because the whole Samini is using techno. You understand? Samini birthday time so yeah the techno phantom. It is also use techno phantom is you have to be proud. Yeah phone papa me techno used to be that.
Okay, Richie feel proud.
Richie used to techno. No, you should feel proud like techno and phantom and phone.
Oh, that was phone. Sure.
So I think we will say big ups to Stonebwoy and the team for appreciating Godfather Samini and then also giving him such a gift. It been brabi. Nah, say you cry about her car. I'm more phantom Libya. I'm on bear and I'm
oh, magic pan.
I'm on bear phantom Libya. Very, very important. And let's say you could take it iPhones to me. And not just on my techno.
Alright, thank you very much. It's no magic. Mr. Remo. Okay, young person now, Derek Money, also your points and views around that area.
Let me see, make us say this is total marketing strategy. Although Watana was surprising on the birthday, but it's a total marketing strategy. Because I do baby, I was a Stonebwoy, you know, it pushes Samini to extent to be because we're pushing Samini experience. Basso, a year 24. It was said show no publicity near very wide. This is another avenue. I remember publicity no I very wide. Why? Because oh yeah, you know, Samini first Samini experience in the Basso. One, or marketing technique as a brand ambassador, which perfectly a human annoying. Because as a brand ambassador, the brand, you know, it needs to be heard. It's a brand, no matter 40 brand, no matter follow up with the brand, then they use the brand. Into child, the culture, as a brand ambassador, it's a perfect idea. A position, techno, a brand, to a state. Wow, we are your friend says, Samini friend, you feel that proudness. They say, me tell my people you should techno. So why am I using this phone? Or if I'm using this phone, I also feel proud. Again, Asanya put Samini into the space of social media. Regarding a friend is saying Samini experience in Basso. Because the moment a picture and a video they pop up, people will be start. Those who don't follow Samini will start following Samini. And the more I will follow, no, will be the update of a friend saying Samini first.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, Samini experience. Yeah, who follow the pet. So when you have video, no, now don't follow Samini, no. Na dream, what dream at tears in the so. Na Kai will say, oh, Samini experience or
okay. Okay.
When you heard video ni pet, then it turns your mind back to Samini experience, which is happening today. And you know, Ahane Hano, Okita se kind of dicha. He is doing the marketing very well as a brand ambassador for techno, and he's also pushing Samini experience to that light. Send you a man for Adrian Basubi. Yes, someone Abaso, no Becca said, yeah. Stonebwoy and his stage out then I'm one man I say the pedigree we do now from Samini Abwa ni phone I bet me the channel. Nabiu, we are living in an industry as a brand ambassador you need to know how to do it.
Uncle Obeke car we did and car I thought talk like
I don't play I say hey
well, at times, you know, and yeah, I do maybe a bit page you are working within a creative space. You are a brand ambassador. Trying to create a space, remember, the brand now, we ambassador will be very effective. Because I'm not very effective. Now, brand ambassador, what is it?
It's a big question.
Well, yeah. It is one my brand now very effective. How yeah, we knew
yeah.
It's a time next one. But with this, everybody have getting to Ubia own use technical and argument is a techno phantom. Especially your video has to be a church of functions now. It will inspire you to go and buy phantom. Especially Samini phone. And one is a serious marketing strategy, which is working perfectly for you. It's also, my friends, a publicity platform. How they must Samini with Samini experience.
Okay. Okay. It's serving as a reminder.
What I say, because we be a video beyond. Oh, Samini, when you are following the pet, when you have the Samini experience is going on.
Okay.
What I say, it's a very strategical way. Stonebwoy use to. I think it's working for him perfectly. But those who are thinking say, "Come on, a car, man, we know." If you ask to be an idea, or the child be a sumbo. Answer will be better than if you are. The be a Mikasa same we say, and for so be some child. Who for so in the
that's true.
Then the Nissan actually, because what for so.
Yeah.
But if you not the chawa or the chaw, and what you saw. Who feel yeah. And you know, tell their channel if you not or any Godfather was serving. I don't know so how why Jumano ye. And to say a brassum, that's a birthday, that's a Samini experience and so on, no person creative awareness. As I have born a brand and on my friend is a brand ambassador, it's me push here. I think this is a very good strategy. Stonebwoy use and it is going to work well for him.
Okay.
A Bema other brands because a brand like Samini you should be not a Stonebwoy fans and so you should techno. Look at these two brands. And they are followers.
Okay.
It's a bad brand, you know, a brand techno to the extent say, oh, the year 2022, you see, say, purchasing rating a high cost.
Okay.
Okay. For marketing, friends and team, no, 20 hours. It's going to 2022, techno, brand, you know. Patronage number high with this little strategy now to where you
okay. All right. Thank you very much, Darren Money. We on also as a promotional strategy. Now away from the Beam Nation Samini techno issues, we move straight to the American land, Kumasi, where the currency would you run Beef Nation would you run and I feel so Cheme would Chemo would you want you run? Alright, shout out to you, Iba, baby. Okay, now the Asaka boys. The little I know about them, they've been in the industry for a while, but no matter what's here. Now, this young champs, and I say in Penifui, and as Yana Nanumi, Asaka boys, chance to be a interview section across whatever is bothering them. And I feel so no can say me say most of the promoters, I mean, if I say events organizers, no, Obi Meki funny comments, which I found it very disrespecting. I don't know to them. It's not the other two are saying. Now, on Monday, according to him, I mean to them, they are saying say me fly and now me transport anyway free Kumasi, Aba Accra, Bebo Show Asia, will transport no and now will flight tickets no, and no and I'm the bet six I show now bo Asia. Come, it should be pa. Yencha video we yaba ye be questions wa say.
Like an American like how are you here so you be no. The American that say it's like we are not ready to listen to what you or how you want to do things. It's like seeing a yard, you know. And to say, see my head and I say, you penny money, Mama maybe someone you be there and you. Man, you be there. But then industry never say, and I say, when a lot of creatives meet, we don't do one thing, we do a lot of things. The American say, okay, hip hop man. See the Jay-Z more rapping, and yes, I'm young dog, and I say, hey, we are Gucci man. But what you can say, Jay-Z, we are preaching Gucci man, and she'll be Atlanta. The American say. So when people start looking at this as a bigger business, and no, maybe Sanaman because Sanaman now can pet the American say at the end of the day, you can get us there, you can get the people cheering, you can get your money in votes. The American team say, but it's like a little, I don't know if it's ego or whatever, like. On may see the
they need to be mammo conditions, say, Moon perform it this way, and now Moon. Really? What some of the things that Obiaka say? You need to appear this way. You need to come perform this way.
Oh no, it's like mostly they would like to get maybe a nipa bako. Okay. Hoping seeing and everybody.
The Muslim to me guys will move take it a man and never perform free in and out without any money.
Train.
But I'm the woods now. Flight move. I perform free. Will be your family video on as a fool. In the end, I'll be using a actress can now be a favor.
Are they free show na no more?
No, and your free show, they are taking money, but almost some you see. Because I'm winning the bank money cards like you must have your money na be able to see who was business. Yeah, you see who say they are like yeah. Who hear me favor and I'm small be favor like but music, you know, music industry, no said that they be more can scanning. We in accounting and scanning no. Me. More the Beyonce who say we are actor, be an musician, be a dribble, no Niscan or social scanner. One say music producer, be an answer, event organizer, be a dribble, be on social scanner. No, you get it. Everybody in music makes money but the musicians. You know what I'm saying? Obi on all this hard nine business, our millions come baby, you know. Who is adding to a war back cash him 7 minutes? What you say? But you know not no, but don't say you don't have the right to even earn as much as they do.
Now the right to ask to be paid.
Exactly.
Wow. We're news to me because I love what now we do. Say Obi be from say Mumbai shoe or the motor not playing Aquaba. No way.
I can say to come and say Obi I say you na guy really look it down. The story down yeah but munya sa feeling no mu come as for the wait match you mo condemn you wait my fan for you and I'm say you bag give me mun chair and I say what say like mo pass it through some you want just also you use one sana gatekeepers. But yeah, Sebo legends on our own. No. They didn't make us. Yeah. You know, I'm going to mean you see instead of some you see. Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, so there was a question at the internet young shows, I don't know shows, I didn't Asaka boys in the Monka. And this is the few comments and as a few reviews and I say some can ever hold now. Nana Reagan, yem started ever hold because wo and I would demo chiame a ban of Sekumase asem a bar. It's never far. So entertainment, the money is a ban entertainment. Now we are what I said. You best start from. I love that. Oh, sir. Chemo. Until I am a man to us.
Social media on our run. At this point, the other canoe.
I think they have taken a good stand.
Okay.
But they need to think again when it comes to promotional strategies. Or some can I say more strategy.
Okay.
You understand?
Me say restructure.
I love the stance they've taken when it comes to Branabebo show mine.
Okay.
You see, if they don't take that stand, the vibe around them now, demand people will use them as a comedy. In fact, the time will come. They like Ubeshio, Kenneth, and no cancer cowboys and I wouldn't share. In fact, baby, like they said, I just love the way they said it's business. What it means is that they have that business mentality and they are ready to do business. And if you are an artist, now ultimate shooting kakrasi, now was our business mentality. Now when you are for kakra around the world, you will go far.
Okay.
So it is good. So we say, yeah, playing game, not playing again, catasem, they trap video, trap pictures. Almost is airports now. Videos, the pictures, then I'm social media, no more bush and for share. Maybe I'll be a baby crab, baby mama, going on the swim. Hey, papa, and help papa, and then I'm going to come here for bush. Now, Babana, he won't be an abundance bed, but put the kita. And we could be crying, so me, I just love that aspect of them. But when it comes to them promoting themselves, their songs, going for interviews, it is very, very important. They should find ways and means to do it. They shouldn't just sit or feel comfortable in Kumasi and think that, oh, we can just sit in Kumasi and do our thing and we'll be fine. Recently, and I said a few months ago, the likes of Koku Darlington and all your talk and all those boys, they were all here running interviews and stuff. The whole year they say Ghana Music Awards UK. Some of them are party in the park, some of them are going. So if you want to have even your names stick to a promoter's brain or mind, these are some of the moves you have to be making. Because promoter, when you don't move and then make them feel like, oh, so the demand or so I say Tembian or you interview or Tembian, you're one in your Matembia or you move or you say, then they will always get an alternative for you. But once you move and you market yourself very, very well, it will help you. They should do that. But as for taking flight, I support them 100%. They should never try it. They shouldn't do it for any reason. Sometimes I know some of begging shows in Fremont they trim. They've done enough. I think these guys did not just wake up one day and I'm over here as a cowboys. They've done some in Kumasi. They've paid their dues. This is the time for them to, make some money out of their talent. So if anybody wants to put them on, they should do business with the person. If anybody wants to have any engagement, they should do business. But they shouldn't sleep on their promotion or feel so proud, say, let's stay here. Well, yes, in a way you are sleeping on your eyes of us up a boo now they are passing. You understand? So Charlie, move, take a step, move, and then shine bright. You are not like the R2Bs, baby. That is why they are being able to carry themselves like that. You understand? You recognize it. Most move should recognize it to that standard of the R2Bs. Now, because I'm going to tell we don't know the business they are running to. So you should be very, very careful. The people around them should not push these guys to just play in the shows. In fact, so January to December, no business show. They should work hard and work right. A time will come promoter be well, you see when you're sometimes so now we demand back and say promoter be a new option.
Yeah.
When people are saying right now, can you tell me say we be betting me after black or I say we say we should see for playing by another. No. The demand is big. People are people wants to hear, people want to have him on stage to perform. And to Frenna, it is strictly business.
Yeah.
It is the same thing. These boys also deserve that treatment. So they should give them that treatment and stop. You see, sometimes me are there promoters, some of these industry players, say, obey budget. Wakako jini deal. But also person unia de kakra na o de be man na. Waste to a budget no ma me yetuaka. Why your budget be 50,000? What's the tone so as a cowboy is budget 20,000? Maybe 10,000 be say, maybe we be say, maybe we be ma chemo mono mo de go YouTube. We are direct money most of the true story. Remember 500 Ghana 1,000.
We are not it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, this Sikana ma we no. As Sikana ba be do we no. Afa na ba be say we ni atiche we be as we depend na. Yeah, so this promoter sometimes we should also I'm talking to like this because I get emotional because me sometimes many of I can relate to some of these things. I've worked with artists what course I know what they are saying. I have worked with promoters on my try in fact some of us writers come on the air. Events. Oh, press conference. Oh, say we are. Oh, check no more clear. Until the entry Monday. I like their business mentality. It is good. They shouldn't change. In fact, industry in your drink. Now, event promoter it should be business, but they should also find ways and means to establish good relationship with some of the producers who will be positive with them. Establish them because that is what will give you those plugs that you need. Establish good relationship with some of the producers who wants to be positive. In fact, those who wants to be negative, so ignore them, but work harder to a time or a demand. They will have no choice. The crowd or the public are demanding for you. So if they don't take you, honestly, the show never flop.
All right, thank you very much, Nana Reagan. You move on to know the Eric Money, Beef Nation, where I can't give you. You move on to the Eric Money. Nana, could it be said, okay, as a boys, in fact, Obetio Mudia, they be America, as a cowboys, America. They are not really moving kakra, and I'm on promotional strategy. I bet a little bit, not moving fast like the way we expecting because we should be testing all kind the lives of Saku Kudalent and Yaltop and then name them Coco Flake near them. I'm gonna try a background. I'm gonna try a movie to other regions in Emma like their names at the dump of one only promoters and on the other. Could it be so okay? They've relaxed and they feel relaxed. Like
relax there. Make me like I say with their movement there, but music wise, they are not relaxed.
Okay.
And the job they are doing is music. What I say?
Yeah.
It's music now more. Music, you too quiet Kumasi, Uncle Fanny Member Accra. Name, and you know the other day I beat Beboa. And they are working really very well at Beboa. Now, on my agenda now, it's a positive agenda.
Okay.
Very serious agenda. And Mecca said, this is, as someone Mukai is really telling us, say, our industry is very matured now. Senior David kind. Yeah, our industry is matured now. Because gone are the days, oh, and I over pass it through me. We want to perform 50 to 1 hour.
That's true.
Pass through. Now event organizer, promoter, na Jinisika, pass through. Now or no artist now, obey a Jumani na passing through into a fan passing through. So this is the right time one. And also who said the industry now you one way you will not film no.
But
like a crown no. The film need the baby PBR and Kwaku DMC and you Kenneth and AJ Bad me a body. Meanwhile, you be certain persons square na Jibad in Yamari. It's fans na Yama on Adam Yama fans. O fans so grab it. fans are being news ideas. He say you jai. This is the call up. I was almost more near him because industry now you won't know. Obi a first in the ati. Obi a person use strategy and make things happen whenever it's not happening. And it's a omo use such strategy now. Also now we artist now. Oh now we figure no. You have to know your friends or price a guitar. You have to know how to position yourself to some extent. Event organizer and as a promoter, ne for crown on himself. What we do, the budget or the baby, just assume and assumption. Only papa my friend and the budget beats me very tricky. Whatever my friend. Yeah, be that work very hard to be that artist. It is an event organizer. A promoter air for crana only say there is a price tag on you. And to Kumasi one or more no my imagine so my crown, young form, and you know the young car Kumasi Majimabo. And you also many platforms in the EBT. Name they should work extra harder to some extent. So Udimba promoter and event organizer 3 more or 5 for so now become business.
Yeah.
Not pass through. Flight. That be as an artist, even who promoter and as event organizer, all for artists in Krapono. And was saying who say the budget not the man you or promotion a friend saying budget not the amount. What make it provision for everything. Into all artists now you no. That's why you have management. Into himself flight from Kumasi to Accra, but you say, Obo show na be say,
Ontario Abeshe.
So show no so be performing travelers or just obey you more fine. You make provision for all this. Now if you will proceed to the promoter or the event organizer. And you know, make sure of say this is the time they need to cash out. Because baby a stage never know so man fa ways and means and cash out. You bet you mudin ewo at the end of the day, no money now.
Okay.
Which a bit big blue amount because a better than a burden to us. Because so better say bad says so this getting idea sign to work on one. We say, "Oh, can I say there?" And when you are there, until you need this guy, nothing you ever call go for me. It won't help. So this is the time I saw more money them. No money that ho. No more to me be a space. No my event organizers, promoters, TSA. We've built a brand for ourselves. Therefore, Oba and Abba engage with my brand now. Be very prepared.
Yeah.
Make sure you make provision for me. And my make just stage into no more for common koda. But the same having go so why your budget are due sika. So why don't you pay me? I perform, then I go my way. At the end of the day, you will be a benefiting because and Saba, you the promoter or the event organizer, you don't have to benefit alone. Oh yes, I say event organizers need promoters, no so you team who me and you can say because if you do that to an artist, next time when your artist knows so oh ma
one hour flop show.
What I say? 1 hour flop show. Oh ma. Until it's about time one, it was some moment near Jane, and near Jane, the industry no more near Jane, you be careful, so you soon.
Okay, thank you very much. Simple as that. You say Penny Egaria, not in so asa. Nothing is not 10 to 10. I'm saying, I bet the people be free, but then Chamo, over to young cock America, near Casa Cowboys in the
and well, me sound controversial kakra, but baby I'm a free bunny as a cowboys they are on my baby I'm out by after say omudini ba out and I think say omu value bia omu for value bianca omudino and typical evidence ebe say obi promoter bi betimi afra o no maka say we won't pay you but e betwa mo flight and come and pass through because oh say me need say promoter bi ebe fa fun afre Shatawali and I say black sheriff crowd the black sheriff and I say yeah talk no I can say come and pass through And only try say, oh, na I can't say it's all value of them. Say, as I did not many panic trim. Nasa or can't say or pair, it's just all value of them. And indeed, as a cowboy, and I think say, or money be a dome of value in the basso. Million market can be actual. One way is a overboard a modern be out a hater or be ending from it. Now, if you have a beer or beepers or promote to be a new way that they say. Then the amount of value. So, one yes, I say, obey in the creative space, you know. A winner takes all. And it is all your normal, obey normal money. So, oh, hated by do topper, oh, now by just scanning now. And you know, say as a cowboy, it's a so many business. It's said the more can or in so I think a good idea. But one here, obey mistake, at the value be at home, so I won't deserve it in the combat do. Obia or value. I do not be a or value on him. And you know, we mistake, not a overprice on why you are in trouble. And now say, Osa anyone who too much is why you are in trouble. In their case, and I think they are no business. So, our promoters, you know, value minu baby or my emergency or Mebo at your mocha because no man macrana you lose it. Promoter of FA catcher say, make trouble plane ticket. Now, Mumma pass it through. Over the church, one macra me lose it. In fact, I'm doing you a favor.
That is how they see it.
Yes.
Obi obeka sase
na
out of favor of those
yeah man. If you want to say ampa sa favor no here because o value was right. Start here bibia e ma obi frɛ wo kra na on really sample. I think say omo lake sa ade. Okay. Omo lake sa ade say omo du ba bia omo value bia obi be from say I want to pay how much will you charge me for a show and bibi omo du the moment do hono one obvious me colleagues say Accra can say omo out there in Accra for instance omo me interview ha omo ni media engagement media house bi anko Kumasi enko interview omo ni ade one yes I money na ulusu value Accra for him fa ho what you Kumasi champion or the ball Kumasi he ball champion or Frewo Beka say come and pass through because you don't have any value here. Okay, say you fancy garden or Tamale. Look at how big he is there. Or Baha eba be interviews or Baha be any show. What did he say he be organizer be to me a friend I say fancy come and pass through I will pay your plane ticket. No. And it me as a cowboys now I advise them having the business mentality no good, but don't deceive yourself and overprice yourself. Especially if you are not working what will give you a value. Omu ne bibi ebe mo sa value na no mo ete ready o kasa no. Omu ne sa adwuma no. Okay. Sa value no mo na Kumasi. Okay. Omu ne adwuma bia sa sa organizer na offer omo no say come and pass through na mama no ha no. Because mama kwa o yusu hwe. Onu ni jimu kwa dem ko me favor.
E na wo kra bu muti kra obeka say kra say wuti kra say
me fa say me fe twa o fra eni di omunye adwuma na omunya value ento omo so na kwa no be fa so ya adwuma ni say omo be involve media na e Accra no for instance na yehu omo na ehu omo work say omo ya yehu say e be deserve pay and I say be deserve more than the enkofu bi be friend say just come and pass through no and no one and I say on be hit song no matter na say baby abefa bia say hit song no e bo and the so the be friend you be tua na wa baba be pass through na wa jusika so o ma anya say adwuma no na omo be normal thing no e Kumasi e dey adu omo din dia e no omo value omo benya na e Kumasi value Accra dey e pass through na no benya in the omo for advice no and I say
the Chamber can good points, and it is just one side of the whole issue because it targeted at the artists. But again, the 70 catch him also the end. It is good to say as a car for the to keep something out of what she makes. But another truth is that, or another reality is that some of our promoters, sometimes it's not as if you don't have any value. In fact, I don't know what they
want to cheat you.
Yes, I don't know what I say as a cowboys. Some of the established artists we know could happen. They do what the young, the boy one way, bet me I'm our half. Till do I bet you I can to be so it should be something we should also speak to the promoters. Sometimes they may young woman now say so. It is not as if sometimes they don't make budget for those people.
They make budget.
They make it.
Investors who pay them.
One kasa promoter no cut near 2 years. But person side obi the account there. Then be
total cheat.
Be man. I'll be at the man. Chemo watch your boss to buy. Oh, remember Chemo 1,000. Remember Nana Regan 1,000. Remember Berima 500.
Oh, Nana Town 500.
Oh, good value.
All right. Thank you very much, Nation President.
Oh, value
I negotiate.
You're very negotiation with you.
I know.
All right, so thank you very much, brothers. I'm so much in love with today's. Like I say, man, not Reagan or not a Beef Nation president, and I face Derek Money or your PR or your MC or some your writer, papa, so any gig, yeah. Fan say MC like dia no obetimi hook up and as I say obetimi afreno same way Chamo and also a YouTuber, YouTube manager, YouTube consultant, papa anything having issues with YouTube, all you need to do is to just consult him. And our things, Sammy Flex TV, Flex Entertainment, to talk about your music video shoots, documentaries, wedding, funerals, parties, any engagement via you need camera coverage. Just look no further. Now I'm missing a good screen. We bet me after no application, no friend, no ding. On the emphasis like I say, I'm a current the guitar rasta. Lappy G and our face on the Richard the Finest Boy Flex. Tina Baby and our face on the Gideon Need. I'm testing always making sure say Showbiz Daily. You're the better fair so. Within and MC Berima and always going to be MC Berima. Send out your candidate and who are wanting all my. We are already in the festive season. Be good, be blessed, stay safe. COVID is out. And we're hot. So please, many can say, oh no, hold it. Hey, Raddy. Hey, I send them out of our all right, so be good, stay with us and be